Sneha, which is the last topic we discussed in the previous class?
Ma'am, I couldn't attend the last class.
Okay.
Sorry.
Anthony? Anthony? Grishma?
Creating series using dictionary.
Creating series using dictionary. That is the last topic. Okay. What is dictionary, Raina?
It's a collection of the
Collection of pairs, isn't it? Collection of pairs. Each pair include which values, Anjo?
Key value.
Key and value. Okay. Key colon value. Okay. In dictionary, we are including a collection of pairs. Each pair include key and value. Okay. What is the use of key, Meghna?
it like it's a first key value there.
What is the use of key in dictionary? Elvina?
Key is used as the index and the value
Correct,
is
correct.
used as the data value.
Correct, correct, correct. Key is used as the index. In series, we have two options, index and data value. In dictionary, we are using this key as index. Means if you want to access one value from series, we are using, in the case of dictionary, we are using key. Okay. Value is used as data value. Okay. Then any homework is there? No. No. Okay. Then write a program. Write the question. Write a program to create a dictionary. To create a dictionary. The keys are ONE1, TWO2, value it is 123. Write a program using dictionary. Key it is 123. Value it is 123. Digit 123. Meghna, you are not well.
Slightly cool.
Okay. So create a dictionary using the values. The key values are 123 and value it is 123. Grishma completed. Ashish completed. Meenakshi, Basil, Sana, Irfan, switch on the video. Basil, read the first statement. Basil, read the first statement. It is common for all series creation statements. Do you know the statement, Basil? Basil, are you there? No. Sneha, read the first statement.
Import pandas as PD.
Yes, correct. Import pandas as PD. That is the first statement. For every series creation, the first statement it is import pandas as PD. Okay.
Then S1 is equal to PD
S-
dot series.
S1 is equal to PD dot series,
Open bracket, curly bracket.
curly bracket.
Then
First
inside
key
the
it
call,
is single quotes. First
single
key
quote,
it is 1. So
1 is
write
to
1,
1 is
then
to 1.
colon 1. Then comma, write the next key it is 2. This 2 is string value. That's why we are including the string value in single quotes. Okay. Then colon 2. Then it is 3 colon 3. Close the curly bracket and open bracket also. Okay. Is it clear, Amal? Then how we can print the series, Amal? What is the statement for printing that series?
I'm print this one.
Print this one, correct. Okay. This is a different statement for creating a series using dictionary. Okay. First write the statement import pandas as PD. S1 is equal to, S1 is the name given for the series. So S1 is equal to PD dot because the series function is included in the module pandas. So we have to write pandas dot. Instead of writing pandas dot, we are giving a name PD for pandas. So we just write PD dot series within round bracket. We are using a dictionary for creating the series. So we are using a curly bracket. Curly bracket is used only for dictionary. So here we are using a dictionary for series creation, so that we are using this curly bracket. Okay, within curly bracket, first write the key value. Here the first key value it is 1. So write 1. Then a colon. After the colon, write the first value. Value it is 1. So 1, then comma. Write the next pair. Next pair, in the next pair, the second key it is 2. So write 2 here and colon, write the second value, it is 2. Then write the third key, it is 3. 3 within single quotes because 3 is a string value. So within single quotes, then colon, write the third value, it is 3. After that, after creation, we have to print the series. So print S1. The series is stored in S1. So print S1. It will display like, Anthony, what is the output in this program?
1 equal to 1,
1,
1,
1.
2, 2, 3, 3. 2, 2, 3, 3.
Okay, then what's the next row?
D type.
D type. What is the D type here? What is the D type here?
Object.
Object. Is it object?
I know. No, ma'am. No object.
What is the D type used here?
In 64.
In 64, correct. N64 is the data type used here because we are using integer value here. Okay, if you are using integer value here, the type used it is int64. So it is D type, it is int64. If you are using ABC, and Joe, what is the type here? D type. If the value is ABC,
Object.
object. Correct. If the value is ABC, the D type it is object. Okay. So if the data values are string or if a character or string are used as data value, then the D type it is object. If you are using integer value 11, 10, 12 just like that, then the D type it is int64. If it is Raina, here what is the D type?
Int 60.
Here the values are 10.5, 11.5, 12.6.
Float
Yes,
64.
correct. Float 64 because here we are using a data with fractional points. So 11.1 is there. So the data type it is float 64. Okay. So we are discussing about series creation using dictionary. Okay. Then the next heading it is naming a series. Right. The heading naming a series. Naming a series. So in this program, we are creating a series using dictionary. The index values are 1, 2, and 3. And the data values are 1, 2, 3. Our output is just like this, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And D type it is int64. Then I want to name this column. I want to name this column as num. And I want to name this column also as no. That is naming a series. Okay. In all this program, we are just creating a series with some index value and with some data value. In this section, we are discussing about how we can name each column. I want to name this first column as num and second column as no. For that, we are using a property known as name. N-A-M-E, name. Okay, for naming a series means if you want to name index value at the same time, if you want to name a data value, we are using a property known as name. Okay, then we can consider one program based on naming. Write the question. Create a series. Create a series using dictionary. Using dictionary. And name the series. And name the series. Key as month. Key as month. Value as days. Values as days. Okay. Then the keys are Jan, Feb, and March. Then value, which is 31, 28, and 31. First, you create this series using dictionary. After that, I will explain how we can name this series. Okay. Anjo, switch on the video. Basil, Irfan, Sharath, switch on the video. What happened, Donna? Why you are late? Donna?
Yes, ma'am.
What happened?
Ma'am, internet issues.
Okay. Write the question. A topic is naming a series. We are creating a series with key Jan, Feb, March and value 31, 28 and 31. Ashish, read the first statement. It's not clear, Ashish. Is there any problem with your mic? No. Okay. Anna, read the first statement. Import pandas as PD. Sharath, switch on the video and read the next statement.
Is equal to
S1 is equal to Sharath. Okay, read the statement, Sharath. Sharath, unmute and say.
I don't know, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? You're absent in the previous class?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Irfan, read the next statement. Irfan, switch on the video and read the next statement. Okay, Meenakshi.
Ma'am,
Okay, okay, Irfan.
import pandas as PD,
Yes, second statement.
PD series,
PD
Jan,
dot series. PD dot series. Within which bracket?
round bracket,
Yes, within round bracket. Then within
curly bracket,
curly bracket. Okay.
Jan
Jan.
31st,
Jan within single quotes. Then how we can write 31? After? How we can represent a pair in dictionary? Using a column. Okay. Using a column, we can represent a key value pair. Key value is represented using key colon value. Okay. Is it clear, Irfan?
yes ma'am.
Okay. Then complete colon. After that,
And comma single quote February
Okay.
colon
Colon.
28 comma
Okay.
and single
Okay.
quote March
Okay.
31st.
Okay. Close the curly bracket and also the round bracket. Then what is the next statement, Irfan? How we can display series?
Print
Print.
S.
Here I am using
Okay.
S1, so it is S1. Okay. Is it clear? This is normal series creation using dictionary. Lydia, read the output.
Jan 31.
Okay. Jan 31, then
28.
Feb 28, then March 31. Then next row,
D type.
D
In-
type. D type in 64. So this is the series creation using dictionary. Then I want to name this data. Here I want to use, what is the question? Elvina, what is the name of index?
Naming a series using key as month and values as base.
Here we want to name as month. Then value name it is day. Value name it is month. Value name it is day. Then index name it is month. So first we create one series using S1 is equal to PD dot series within curly bracket, write the keys and write the value. After that, we are writing a statement for naming this index and also for the value. For that, the property used it is name. So just write PD dot series dot name, which is equal to, what is the name of index? Index it is month, value it is day. So first I will write the value name it is day. How we can write day, Sneha? Is it correct statement?
No, ma'am.
How we can write this day?
Inside the bracket.
Insert it in single quotes. Okay. Write this day in single quotes. Okay. So for naming a value, write the statement like series dot name is equal to, write the name. We want to name this value. Here the value is 31, 28 and 31. Give name day for this value. For naming day, we are giving the statement series dot name is equal to, within single quotes, write day. The next statement, we want to name this index value as month. For writing, giving index value as month, write the statement series dot index dot name is equal to month. Okay. So I will explain these two statements. Our purpose is to name value column and also for key column. We want to give a name for index column and also for value column. For index column, the name it is month, and value column, the name it is day. Okay. So first I will give the name for value. For value, we use only name with this series statement. Okay. So series dot name is equal to, within single quotes, write the name day. Then series dot index dot name. Next statement, I want to give name for index. For that, I am writing series dot index dot name. But here there is no value. Here we are just writing series dot name. For giving name for value column, we are just write series dot name, which is equal to day. And after that, I am giving name for index. For naming index, we are giving series.index.name is equal to month. For naming, we are using the property name. For value representation, for value naming, the statement is series.name is equal to day. And for index naming, naming index, write the statement series.index.name is equal to month. Then after that, print the statement. Print S1. Okay. Is it clear, Evelyn?
Yes, ma'am.
Anthony, switch on the video. How we can name a value, Anthony?
Series dot name equal to
Series.name is equal to give the name. Okay. Basil,
Yes, ma'am.
how we can name index?
And series dot index dot name.
Series.index.name is equal to give the name. Okay. Then the output of this program is just like this. The index name it is month. So it will display like this: month, Jan, Feb, and March. Then the key value it is 31, 28, and 31. But the name of value is not appearing here. It is just appear as the next row. That is days, along with D type. End 64. This is the output representation. Okay. The output of this program it is the month column. That is the name of key is appearing just like column name, but the name of value is appear after the 3 rows. So it will display like this: name, column, days. Then D type it is in 64. So this is the output for creating a series using naming or name property. Okay. Just write the output also. For index, the name is just like column name, but in value, it is just display as the last row. So write one more question. Create a series using dictionary. And name the series. Create a series using dictionary and name the series. Value name it is day. Index name it is number. Index name it is number. Okay. Then the values are key it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Value it is 1, 2, 3, 4. So name of index it is number. Name of value it is days. Write the output also. Neha, what happened to your video? Irfan, Anjo. Sharat, now it is clear? Okay. Sharat, read the statements. First statement I will write. Import pandas as PD. Then read the next statement.
S is equal to
S is equal to PD dot
series.
series. In series, S is in small letter or capital letter?
Capital letter.
Yes, correct. So series
Then the data value.
data value. Read the value. Which bracket is used here?
Normal bracket.
Then after that, how we can represent a dictionary? Using which bracket?
Square bracket.
No, it is for list. Square bracket is for list.
Curly bracket.
Yes, correct. Curly bracket is used for representing dictionary. Then read the first pair. What is the first key value? First key. Sharat,
Yes, ma'am.
read the first key.
I did not write the last question, ma'am.
Why?
I was doing the previous question.
Okay. Evelyn, read the next statement. Sharat, complete the answer. Okay, Evelyn.
Monday, month,
Mon,
then colon,
colon,
1,
1,
comma,
comma,
Tuesday colon in quotes
Tuesday colon
2
2
comma
comma
Wednesday colon 3
Wednesday colon 3.
Thursday colon 4.
Okay, correct. Thursday, THUR colon 4. Then close the curly bracket and also round bracket. Okay. Then Grishma, read the next statement for naming value.
Series dot name equal to day.
Series dot
Name equal to day in quotes.
name is equal to,
Day.
is it correct? Is it correct, Grishma? Any?
In quotes.
Okay, correct. So it is in quotes. Day is a string value. So we write this string value within quotes. So series dot name is equal to day. Meenakshi, read the next statement.
Series dot index name is equal to
Series dot index dot name is equal to
in quotes number.
number. Okay. Next statement. Meenakshi,
Print s.
print this. Correct. Anna, read the output.
Number.
Number. The heading of index or name of index, it is number. Correct, Hannah? Then
Monday 1 Tuesday 2.
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Okay. Donna, what is the next column?
Day.
Heading day is there. Okay. Then
1, 2, 3, 4.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Anthony, is there any problem with this output? Switch on the video. Okay. Is it correct?
There should be Monday. Monday,
What?
Tuesday, Thursday.
Yes. Days will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Ashish? Ashish? Tana?
Yes, ma'am.
What is wrong with this output?
A D type is needed.
D type is needed. Okay, correct. D type. What is the D type, Sana?
In 60.
64. Then, any other problem? Amal?
The heading. Like,
Which heading?
number should be for 1, 2.
Yes.
Like number should. Number should be for 1, 2, 3, 4, and day should be for Monday, Tuesday.
Read the question, Amal. Is the name of index? Name of index.
No. Sorry. ma'am.
Okay. Lydia?
Ma'am, days we write last.
Okay, correct. Name of value, we write it in the last row. Name of value. Okay. I will explain this program once again. Our question is, create a series using dictionary. For dictionary, we are using key value pair. In question, there are some key and also some values. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday are some keys. And some values are there. 1, 2, 3, 4 are the values. Okay. The question is, we want to name this key or index as number. Key or index as number. Then value as day. This is the question. Create a series using dictionary. The dictionary values are, the key value it is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and value it is 1, 2, 3, 4. And after creating dictionary, name the key as number and name the value as day. That is the question. So first we will write the statement import pandas as PD. Then after that, create the series. Here the series name it is S. So S is equal to PD dot series. Within round bracket is for this series function. Then this curly bracket is for dictionary. So we'll just write the curly bracket, and within that curly bracket, write each pair. One pair include one key and one value. The first key it is Monday. It is in single quotes because here we are using string values. So Monday within single quotes. Then write one column, then write 1. 1 is the first value. After that, write the second key. The second key it is 2, then colon, the second value it is 2. Then write the third key, it is Wednesday, that is WED. After that, write the, after colon, write 3. Then Thursday is the last key and the last value it is 4. Write the last value. After that, close the curly bracket and close the round bracket. Then this is the statement for creating a series. After creating the series, we are naming this series. We are giving name for index and also for value. What is the name of index? Index or key, the name it is number. For value, we are giving the name it is day. So first I am giving name for value. For value, write the series dot name. Name is the property for giving name. So series dot name, which is equal to, within single quotes, write the name. The name for our value is day. So series dot name is equal to day. Is it clear, Hannah? Then the second statement, we have to name index. Give name for index. The name for index, it is number. So series dot index. For value, there is no value word here in the series statement. You just write series dot name. For naming value, just write series dot name is equal to day. But in the case of index naming, we are using the keyword index here. Series dot index dot name is equal to number. That is the main difference between naming value and naming key or index. Okay, so for naming value, we are giving series dot name is equal to day. There is no value or index in naming value. Okay, just write series dot name is equal to day. Then in the case of series dot index, for giving name to index, write the statement series dot index dot name is equal to number. So it's time. We'll wind up the session. We'll continue in the next class. Okay. We'll just take your attendance.